You hear it, a small sound at the glass. A bird staring right at you through the window. It doesn't fly away. It doesn't seem afraid. It's as if it came with a purpose. In many spiritual traditions, birds are messengers, bridges between earth and sky, carriers of thought, spirit, and soul. When a bird taps on your window, it isn't random. It's a sign, a whisper from the universe. Pay attention. What were you just thinking about? What decision have you been putting off? Who has been on your mind? The bird may be bringing a message from someone on the other side, a reminder that you're not alone, or a gentle nudge. It's time to move, to act, to listen. Sometimes birds appear when they're on the edge of change, a transformation waiting to unfold. They ask us to be still, to receive. So if a bird finds you in this way, don't shoo it away. Breathe, watch, and ask your heart, what is this moment trying to tell me? Because sometimes the smallest wings carry the loudest truths.